Well, turning to climate change, waste and pollution. They're all some of the defining issues of our time, and it's a conversation this year's Melbourne Design Week hopes to accelerate as part of their War on Waste series.
Reporter James Hancock spoke to one designer whose work turning waste lettuce into single-use plates is featured as part of the initiative.
Every year, more than 5 million tonnes of food is sent to landfill in Australia, according to government figures. But what if it could be turned into something useful? Well, industrial designer Madison Ryder has done just that, turning waste lettuce into these biodegradable plates. Madison, what inspired you?
Well, originally watching the War on Waste on the ABC, I was actually fascinated and disgusted with how much food is wasted.
So Madison, step me through the process for turning all of this waste lettuce into one of these plates.
Of course, so grabbing the material from my local supermarket, I then blend it with a bar mix and make this lettuce sheet by dehydrating it. From there, I blend it in a high-speed blender to create this powder, combine it with a corn-based thickener to create the second sheet. And after that is dehydrated, I can then sand it, laser cut it, and assemble it with a plant-based glue. And to finish it all off and give it some water resistance, I finish it with a combination of beeswax and raw linseed oil.
How durable are these plates?
Well, I designed them to be single-use, hence the water resistance and not waterproof. And so they are completely compostable. So if you just break them up and throw them in your garden and give your garden a bit of a water, if it rains, it should be gone in a few days, and it gives nutrients to your garden at the same time.
Your plates will go on display as part of the Welcome to Wasteland exhibition for Melbourne Design Week. What's your favourite part of the show?
Being part of this exhibition is very exciting for me, and there are also some idols of mine, such as the Vert Studio and their creation of the Husky coffee cup, and their Super Cyclers bento box made from ocean plastic is also going to be there. So it's going to be an awesome exhibition. I'm very excited.
Australia is in the midst of a recycling crisis after China stopped accepting lower grade waste material. To what extent do you think products like this, innovations like this, represent a way forward?
Definitely. Well, as designers, we've sort of taken this upon ourselves to use these non-virgin materials to keep them out of the waste stream and provide new opportunities for these materials moving forward. And it's also about changing the perception of what waste is. And if it's viewed as a material for opportunity and is viewed as something of beauty rather than waste, then I think moving forward we can all learn to respect these materials and the products that come from it.
Madison, thanks so much for joining me, and welcome to Wasteland. The exhibition is on until the 24th of this month.
James Hancock, great glasses there from Madison as well, weren't they? Fantastic. See, it's the details we notice.